I'm here to present some things about MSME. Every year on June 27th, micro, small and medium-sized enterprises celebrate awareness for the important role different sized enterprises play in meeting the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. There are two classes of micro, small and medium enterprises. These classes include manufacturing enterprises and service enterprises. Business are further broken down according to how much money they invest in their manufacturing plant, machinery, and 5% of global enterprises are micro, small and medium sized. These companies account for 60% of private sector employment. Additionally, these enterprises make up 50% of GDP. Thank you.
The year 2020 has a drastic impact on the mankind, as we know that the year 2020 has bring up the challenges in form of COVID-19 coronavirus. The whole world has faced many challenges in the human history, but never faced any type of massive and terrible challenge like this. When the COVID-19 has widespread on all over the world, it resulted in havoc for mankind. At the international level, the COVID-19 has taken the lives of people more than 3 million and infected lots of people. During this, India has faced the challenge, but the lockdown implications has made it really very bad. Same impact has been seen on the world economy. The MSME has been declined by a very dramatic rate. According to International Labour Organization, 400 million, that is 76.2% of total workforce of informal economy in India, is on the edge of hunger and poverty. But it is said, after a dark night, there will be a bright sunshine, and the world will be able to defeat it and learn from its mistake. The only thing we need is just your coordination. It is said, after a dark night, there will be a bright sunshine, and the world will be able to defeat it and learn from its mistake. The only thing we need is just your coordination. To your happiness and good health, wish you a very delightful, happy MSME day.
Hello everyone, my name is Alka Singh from class 12C3. Happy MSME Day to you all. Let's talk about some important thing about these days. In 2015, the UN General Assembly developed 17 goals, which we also call Sustainable Development Goals. The main aim of these goals to be achieve a better future to you all. Some goals which we included is no poverty, good health and well-being, quality education, gender equity. The UN also believes micro, small and medium-sized enterprises help to sustain growth for long-term growth, become stronger enterprises of all size business to play a key role. These types of enterprises will also be responsible for significant employment opportunities and income generation. Thank you.
I am Riya Singh from class 12C3 and my topic is how to observe MSME. Several organizations include the International Trade Center, the International Labour Organization, the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, and the World Bank holds special events on these days. Examples of these events include online meetings that allow individuals and government officials to learn about the success and experience of real small and medium-sized enterprises. Special sessions that bring together forward-thinking entrepreneur and the business people. Webinars that feature entrepreneurs from the world as well as those who supported small business.
Happy MSME Day.